Hi, welcome to the Creative Crew community. This is the first of our educational series here in the community. My name is Joanne. I am one of the founding members here with Creative Crew, but I am also the creator and manufacturer of Muddaritaville stencils. We also manufacture Funky Junk Old Sign stencils and Ellen J. Good stencils here at our studio. Just a little housekeeping to start. As you make your way through the educational series, be sure to check the check mark at the end of the video, or it's at the top above the video when you're done, so that the system knows that you have seen and completed this video. It will also enable you to move on to video 2. We hope to keep each of these videos short so that you can fit them into the time in your day. We appreciate you watching them. We know you're busy. We hope that we have a tip here that maybe you haven't been using and will help you with the success of your stenciling projects. So, number 1 in this series is Quality Stencils. We manufacture 10 mil reusable stencils here in our studio. We find that that's important for a quality paint project, also for reuse. We have some customers that are still using stencils that we manufactured 10 years ago. That's our goal here. We want you to have success with your projects, and we want you to get long-term use with your stencils. I hope that this helps a little bit, you know a little bit more about us, and we're going to move on to step number 2.